CleanLink prides itself on the level of support that we provide our customers. Most people's experience of calling a software company and speak to someone tends to be push this button, do that, do this, thank you very much, call over. With our team, we very much pride ourselves on if you've got a problem, you're not able to use the software, give us a call. We won't just tell you push this button, go to that screen. We'll actually inquire a little bit more than that. We'll give you over and above what is it you're trying to achieve. So that really makes a difference and helps our customers achieve their goals. Our current customer base is the UK contract cleaning market. So a typical client profile, 500 to 1,000 staff, 400 to 600 sites. All of those producing between weekly, 2 weekly or 4 weekly pay, and then invoicing ad hoc or at least monthly. That's a lot of data to push around. Our relationship with our customers begins obviously with the sales process. That's transferred over to our operations team. We prefer to install our software by visiting the site. We can do it remotely, but you don't get to meet the people that you're going to be working with. So we think that's a really good introduction. We get to learn the dynamics of their office. So it's very sort of personal relationship at the outset.
Because we've got a relatively small support team and we go out and do training, the customers have that knowledge of who they're speaking to. It's a familiar voice and they know you've got an experience of what they've done in the past. So that is a huge benefit that we're able to have that kind of ongoing rapport and support with them. It's very satisfying to see that a customer has progressed from when you've done that initial first day's training to perhaps a few years later you go back and do a refresher session because they've taken on new staff, to see that they've taken on board what you've shown them. They're running their business smoothly using the software and that they obviously appreciate what you've done in the first place. Customer feedback is very important. Their input is invaluable. Most of the time customers seem to be on a deadline or it's make or break. You may have 500, 600,000 staff. Payroll deadline is looming and you've got a problem. It's helping them find where that problem is, fix it in time to get that backs run through to the banks. It is rewarding to know that you've helped to make sure that's happened to somebody who's being paid so they can pay their mortgage, they can pay their bills. You've assisted in that and helped their employer to do that.
I think part of our success has also been understanding our clients, the actual core nature of what it is they do. Our software really adds value. So one of the most satisfying parts of the job for me is seeing our customers grow and seeing a successful business expand. And it's great to come back and see them maintain that good relationship with them, but see what a successful business that has become. The real satisfaction for us is that our software is an integral part of that business.